Don't stop, turn off the lights. Nauseous when I...
Hello, this is just the Queen Wells, and today I am just doing my nails. Girl, I don't know if you can see that. Yes, I just put on some nails that I got, and I'm going to be trying out. I use these nails right here, but I'm going to be trying out something that I received in the mail. So I want to thank them for sponsoring this video. And this is the Nail Reserve. So they sent me a few of their products in this nice little box I have here. Oh, these are some beautiful colors. I'm going to have to go ahead and... Ooh, this is a black nail polish. That's cute. Oh man, so they sent me a few. That's a pretty color right there too. Yeah, that's pretty. So they sent me 6. Ooh, this is a pretty gray too. So let's look at the ones they sent me. Let me just do I'm going to put them right here on here so you can see them, because they are so pretty. Here's a gray. Oh, that's pretty. It's a pretty gray. I have right there. I'm just doing one swipe actually. And here's another one. It's like almost like a burnt orange. And that's pretty too, but I'm not going to be wearing those colors today. I like this kind of bluish gray right here. I'm feeling that. So oh yeah, this looks really nice. Oh, this is my color. This is my color. I'm going for this. And then here's another one. I'm liking these colors. And this is like a purple. I actually like these two colors together, that like bluish turquoise. And they gave me a black one as well. Let me open that up. If you want black. Oh, this is a clear coat. I'm sorry. What is this? Yeah, this is the clear coat. So, yeah, I'm going to be using this clear coat. So one clear coat and then 5 colors. So I'm just, and this is a pretty purple too. Oh yeah, this purple looks nice too. But I'm gonna go with the turquoise. These are the colors right here. If you can see them, those are just so freaking pretty. Yeah, I'm liking that. So I'm just gonna go ahead, and I got my little thing over here. I'm gonna go ahead and do my nails, and I'm gonna use this. So I got my little thing right here, and let me just point my camera down so you can see what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm gonna be doing my nails. I'm gonna put one coat. Let me go ahead and turn my machine on. This is what it looks like. Oh, you guys can't see it, but let me bring it over here. This is what it looks like after this camera. This is what it looks like after just one coat. Yeah, it's really pretty. It's just focusing in. Yeah, this is really, come on, focus. This is really pretty. This is after just one coat. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and cure these, and then I am going to go ahead and finish up my nails, and I'll get back to you guys in just a minute with my finished nails. Okay guys, I finished my nails, and I just wanted to say this clear coat actually is a polish that will make your shiny polish, will make it flat. So I use flat on this hand, and I use shiny on this hand. So yeah, I'm actually loving this polish. I only use one coat on this hand, and this is the color I used. So yeah, make sure you go check them out. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. My hands look absolutely gorgeous, and I'm gonna leave them just like this. I like the kind of shiny on one hand and flat on the other hand. So yeah, guys, absolutely beautiful. Thank you so much for sponsoring this video. I will put the link for the Nail Reserve above so you can go check them out. You're gonna love the many colors that they give you. You will also love that you can use one coat, two coats, and they also have the clear base that turns your polish flat. So go check them out. Thank you so much for sponsoring these videos. My nails look absolutely gorgeous. Mwah. Stay tuned for the rest of the video, guys.
Mr. Spittington, that you understand I will be taking care of all of your personal grooming needs, and your services will no longer be needed, sir, because you've been lined up by that of Helen Keller.
This is what I look like on a Sunday, because it's football. I'm watching Dallas and the Eagles, and I'm screaming my ass off, but I'm getting ready to cook something. I actually just put a new lens on my camera, the Z30 Nikon. I got the lens from where did I get the lens from? I got the lens from D something. I don't know. I put it in the description box. It was like 100 and something bucks. But yeah, I am chilling out. I actually get to go back to work tomorrow, part-time for 2 weeks. And then I will be full-time, and after 2 weeks, I'll be back 40 hours. My baby trying to get out the door. She's so grown. But girl, a lot has happened. A lot has happened. Yeah, my personal life. I was dating this guy, but yeah, we have officially parted ways, which is pretty good because, girl, I don't know. So I am just relaxing in my own space, my own vibe, and I'm kind of loving it. I got a couple of videos. Actually, I've gone ahead and done 4 videos, and those are all scheduled to upload. And I actually done more than 4 because I did 2 the other day. So I have 2 more to edit. And then I have some sponsored videos that I need to get on top of. But so far so good. Today is Lazy Sunday. I'm going to be cooking some, I think some salmon today. I had some what did I have? Thai chicken yesterday, Thai chicken and rice. So I had that yesterday, and I'm gonna do the salmon today, probably salmon, and I could have did salmon and potato, but I got some rice left, so I'm going to do salmon and rice. And then I picked up this new thing from Sprouts. Oh, it's so good. It's like I made some collard greens yesterday too, but I'm not going to eat those today. I had a collard green salad. It has collard greens in it. No, I'm sorry. It's kale, apples, what is it? Kale, apples, and cranberries, and pumpkin seeds, and kiwi. Oh, it's freaking good. Girl, it is so good. I ate half of it already. So I might have a little bit more of that for my salad, or I eat with my dinner, or I'll eat it tomorrow for lunch. Well, I work 4 hours tomorrow. Yeah, 4 hours. Probably work 5 hours, but supposedly 4 hours starting at 6 o'clock. So I probably will go ahead and do that, and then I'll be teaching my son. Is this focus? Shit. Then I'll be teaching my son how to drive. I mean, how to park. So, yeah. But so far, he's been doing good. Because, girl, when a couple of years ago, when I tried to teach him how to drive, he scared the head out of me. He's only scared me like 4 times, but I'm less likely to so, yeah. Anyway. Girl, I got my glasses on today. Anyway, I'll be back. This is bourbon. Salmon. I wonder what this can taste like though.
You look at, Philadelphia, it went from the fourth down on their 30, and you look at McCarthy, he ended up going to a fourth down there at midfield. I like the aggressive approach. You saw Jalen Hurts a couple plays before that happened. He did look good going in the locker room, certainly will keep an eye on him in the second half of this game.
Made some collard greens yesterday. I'm gonna bring those up. And some rice. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the oven. This is how it looks. See? I've been washing wigs all day. Guys, let me show you. See, I've been washing wigs all day. These 2 units. I try to wash them as soon as I wear them. This one I colored a little bit. I'm gonna have to do something to this hairline a little bit, but and then the same thing for this one. I bleached it just a little bit. So yeah, this hairline is okay, but yeah. And then I have some I have to do that I haven't done yet, but girl, now that I got so much room in my closet again, I can I can move stuff around where it's perfect. This is my other lens. I got it from Key. Not this one, but I got the one I have on here now from Key. I got this one from Nikon directly. I purchased this one, so I think it was like 300 something. This is a 40 millimeter lens, and the one on here is a 16 to 50 millimeter lens. Girl, I got a few lenses.